But you know, you never know. Might already be in there. Anyway, here we are, headed toward Douglas, Georgia, on one of the least wonderful days. It's not quite drizzly, so that's kind of nice, but the roads are wet and obviously it's foggy. We just passed a little section a mile or so back. You see the pine trees are all bent over. Some of them are actually broken. Apparently some big storms have been through this area. You don't know if it was a tornado or the remnants of a hurricane. One of the last hurricanes might have come through here. So I'm not too sure. Now they're all kind of straight up, so it was about a half-mile swath back there. Today's weather in this area is just maybe for some thunder showers really this afternoon. Not really calling for much rain this morning. And then tomorrow, they're calling for some big weather. Heavy downpours and maybe tornadoes. A little late in the year for that, which they said. And actually the rest of the Gulf states from Texas to Atlanta and across, they're under severe weather warning for today. So don't expect to see it here because I'm still further south. And remnants of that storm still may cause me some problems tomorrow. So if I can find a good camp spot, this may be the day. Tomorrow may be the day I'll take off. I haven't had an actual day off since I left Key West on the 21st. So that'll be a good night.